Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen basically. And you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and then the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have basically access to the time, date, and the battery level. Everything else is locked basically to save the power. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, basically like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.